Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Visa gift card to your PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account already, make sure to log in into this PayPal account and let's get started. So this is how Visa gift card usually looks like. You have an expiry date, you have a number right here, and then you have basically a name, right? A name can be pretty much a gift for you or something like that, right? But basically what you want to do is you want to go on your mobile or on your computer and you want to log in into PayPal as I said. And basically what you will need to do is you will need to go to your wallet. So find your wallet, whatever it is on PayPal online, make sure to go and just go to the wallet. It should be on your computer under the PayPal balance, and just go to your wallet and go and click add banks and cards. Now since this is basically it's acting like a credit card or debit card, actually debit card, you will be able to use those numbers right here to submit and add a card. So click add banks and cards and you will be able to add banks and cards, and here as you can see you will have debit and credit card. So click on that and then from there just click debit or credit card again, and you will be able to go and put your card number. You will need to put this number right here, and from there obviously once that is done you will need to add it to your balance, and that's pretty much it. Now, can you use a prepaid gift card to send money to someone on PayPal? If you already have an account through PayPal, you can use a prepaid vanilla gift card to load your balance and send the funds over to maybe Cash App or someone else on PayPal. But you can't send money to someone on PayPal with a gift card without having a PayPal account itself though. So as you can see, that is pretty much how you can go and how you can transfer money from Visa gift card to PayPal. Very easy. If you have any questions regarding this or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.